Right now,
Yo, what's up, guys?
Nolia! Okay.
What's up, guys? In this video, we're gonna be playing Jumping Monkeys VR. It's a pretty sick game on Grab.
Yep.
And
yeah, you
look
can.
at this.
Yeah, you can also go to play this level if you want to. And Nolia, you need to leave. I'm sorry, you need to leave because we got to do something. And we hit 1,000. And we hit 1,000 plays. Yes. Subscribe to This Is Sky Guy if you want to. You subscribe to This Is Sky Guy if you want to. And yeah, these are the moderators. I'm a corner. I can do stuff like. Okay. Why did I kill myself? And by the way, this is no seeing me. If you press it, nobody can see you. And this is click me help you get a table. And there's maps, yeah, and an update announcement.
Yeah.
Like, thanks for so much 100,000 plays, y'all. And we got a kitty cat over there. This is the end.
Kitty,
And,
you can have cheeseburger.
I know that. Maps, you can get forest, horror, and beach. Let's check out beach first.
Yeah.
So this is the beach. Pretty nice. You could go to Didn't mean to. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, okay. It's okay.
Why did I do this? And this is the beach. You can also slide if you want. Yoink! And right to the bouncy bounce.
Whoa.
Go
my
there.
God, it's a fishy fish.
Swim, and go up. And you could also climb trees.
Is there any coconuts? Coconuts.
No coconuts. I'm sorry.
Shucks.
We might add coconuts though.
We have some. We have a resting place.
Yeah, that's me chilling.
Okay.
That's me chilling.
Nice. So what should be the next map that we do?
The next map will. It's gonna be.
It should be probably.
We already added. What should we add at the maps? So we add Yo guys, comment below what should we add. I don't really know. Comment below. Yeah. We might add like a tornado map or flood map or something, or backrooms. Comment below what map should it be, guys. Yeah.
Wait, do you have a chapter 2 for horror?
I don't know, bro. I gotta ask this Sky Guy. Yeah. Maybe. Just in case, guys, we're gonna add the cave map. Yeah, we're gonna add the cave map if you didn't know.
Nice.
Yes. The cave map. Yeah, we could add the cave map. It's the chilling. And yeah, we also add this somehow.
Oh, nice.
I don't know. Play with it.
Boom! Boom!
Wait, are you still recording?
Huh?
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. And these are the ball, more like balls.
Okay, nice.
And yeah, we got kind of good thing. We also
did we try this?
Oh, we did. For me, press that.
Huh? Wee. What?
Look.
What? Where the heck did you go? Oh wait, you spawned. What? What the? What the?
Yeah, you know, it's not shared. That's why. Next,
Oh.
look. That's the forest map.
So this is the
Pretty
forest.
cool. Pretty Sigma.
Wait,
And
why
by the
does
way,
it
hey,
kind
bro,
of
bro,
look
bro.
like I'm sleeping over there? Why does it kind of look like I'm sleeping over there?
Well, he is sleeping.
Well, why does it kind of look like me? Not gonna lie.
Yeah, it kind of looks like you. But yo, how
What?
do you make? Okay, stop recording. Stop recording. Yeah, that's enough.